Vachanāmrut time, says Sky Guardian. I was just thinking about that actually. Yes, I agree. Why don't we read from this spiritual text that you have gifted me and all of us? This book is basically the Bible of a certain spiritual tradition known as the BAPS, Swaminarayan Sampradaya or Stasta. It is a set of about 300 spiritual discourses from Swaminarayan, an incarnation of God said to have lived in the 1800s. I am not affiliated personally, though I have received blessings from the current president of the organization, Mahant Swami Maharaj. Here we are continuing our reading from Gadhadā 1:3. On the night of Maghshar Sudhi 6, Samvat 1876, 23rd of November 1819, Shriji Maharaj was sitting in Dada Khachar's darbar in Gadhadā. He was dressed entirely in white clothes. At that time, an assembly of munis, as well as devotees from various places, had gathered before him. Thereupon, Shriji Maharaj said, "Even one who can constantly see the form of God in his heart should recall the divine actions and incidents of God performed in his various avatars in various places. One should also maintain affection for the brahmacharis, these spiritual students, sadhus, spiritual renunciants, yogis, and satsangis. These are people in the accompaniment of great saints and spiritual seekers, and should remember them as well. Why? Because if at the time of death one forgets God's form, but remembers the divine actions and incidents performed by God at various places, or if one remembers those satsangis, brahmacharis, or sadhus, then by that association alone, God's form will also be remembered. This is perhaps the most important part of all of the spiritual search, is who and what we associate with. Thereby, that person attains an elevated spiritual status and benefits tremendously. That is why I perform grand Vishnu yags annually. I perform grand Vishnu yags, annually celebrate Janmashtami, Ekadashi, and other observances, and gather brahmacharis, sadhus, and satsangis on these occasions. After all, even if a sinner remembers these occasions at the time of death, they will also attain the abode of God.